The Vivo X300 series supports up to 40 West wireless flash charge across its variants, including Standard, Pro, Ultra, and FE models. Lab tests indicate that a full 1% to 100% wireless charge takes approximately 2 hours when using Vivo's certified proprietary 40W. Full charge duration 1% to 100% 2 hours. While 40 West wireless charging provides convenient desk or overnight power replenishment, wired charging remains significantly faster if you are in a rush. For context, wired charging benchmarks on the standard Vivo X300 utilize 9W flash charge to reach 37% in 15 minutes and complete a full 0% to 100% wired charge in roughly 48 minutes.